Good evening, everybody. Warm greetings from Ukraine. Today we finish installation of whole line for production of protective screen glass for mobile phones. We bought from Jinan Precious and the Jinan Precious factory this CNC. We bought polishing machine, cutting machine, we bought washing machine, pure water machine, furnaces, also laminating machines, both types, hand laminating and automatic. Also we bought printing machines, and due to help of your two engineers whom you sent to us, Terence and Dada, we successfully start to make protective film glass. But we face some problem that most manuals are in Chinese, and as we are a European country, we don't have specialists who can understand. That's why we need to make most of manuals in English. It will be very good advice. Also, from 10th of September we fully open our factory, and we are planning to grow up and to buy more. We plan up to the end of the year to buy more 3 CNC, to buy some furnaces, also to buy one more printing machine, and we will see how our business will go on. Have a good luck. Bye.